Jamin McDermott with Sensata Technologies PreView Radar. I'm introducing our PreView Radar line of sensors behind me here. These are object detection sensors for commercial vehicles, active object detection radar. They're FMCW short range. Two distinct sensor types. We have a sensor that is designed for the front and rear of the vehicle, so for takeoff to moving position and for reversing applications. That sensor, while it is designed for front and rear, can also be used for the side. Specifically, we see that in construction environments where we're trying to get alerts on all sides of the vehicle with all objects being detected. For this sensor in particular, this is our new Sentry-79 sensor. We've moved on from the 24 gigahertz. While we still offer the 24 gigahertz, we've moved into a higher resolution 79 gigahertz sensor as an option. This sensor is a maximum adjustable configurable range of 40 meters and 30 meters wide, dependent on the target size. Those numbers are for the target the size approximately of a car. The configurable detection pattern on the Sentry-79 is broken down into 5 equal parts. So if this is set at 3 meters, 10 feet, that'll be broken down into zones of 2 feet each. And each zone, as you get closer to the sensor, is going to increase the level of alert that the operator is going to see. Now, the operator is going to see an HMI. We can provide these HMIs mostly for our aftermarket retrofit applications, also available for OEM. And the option is typically either to integrate with an existing HMI or to install our HMI. We can also provide cabling as well, so we have the option of the full system in a package ready to go, or just the sensor integrated into the vehicle's cables and the vehicle's HMI. That sums up the Sentry-79 front, rear, and sides for construction sensor. We have an additional sensor that we use typically on the side of the vehicle for urban vulnerable road user awareness. This sensor is designed to ignore stationary objects and only alert on moving objects. The sensor that I have on demo here today is the 24 gigahertz Side Defender 2. This sensor is a detection pattern on the side. It's static, it's preset before it gets to the end user. And that is at less than 19 miles per hour. It's going to have a detection pattern of 30 feet wide and approximately out from the sensor about the length of a lane of traffic. Above 19 kilometers per hour, 19 miles per hour, we're going to have a pattern that extends out to 40 feet. So a slight bit of difference between the lane change application of going more than 19 miles per hour and a side turn application of less than 19 miles per hour. We have upcoming soon a side sensor that is a dual antenna, 180 degree field of view. And just for comparison quickly, the 24 gigahertz line is a 150 degree angle on the field of view, and this one has full 180 degrees down the side of the vehicle. It is adjustable fore and aft, so if this was on the right-hand side of the vehicle, we could adjust 10 meters fore, 50 meters aft, and we can adjust out and in to adjust the size of approximately a lane, depending on the size of the lane, in the areas that the sensor is going to be used. Just like with the Sentry-79, the Side Defender 2 and the STA-79 can be installed in both OEM and aftermarket applications. Same scenario there, where OEM is typically the sensor by itself, integrated into the wiring on the vehicle and the HMI, and aftermarket is typically going to be our cables, our HMI, and then that's a full system installed. So a lot of options there. A few things to point out that are very important is the configurability of these sensors. So especially with the Sentry-79 and Sentry sensors, we can hone those down to all of the different vehicle types. Most of them, the ones that we use commonly, are going to be from construction, mining, on-road is going to be buses, Class 8 trucks, waste trucks, and we go down all the way to smaller construction equipment, forklifts, skid steer loaders, track loaders, and everything in between. We also have a wireless option for difficult to install installations, and this will allow you to simplify the process if it requires a lot of cables or in a machine that just doesn't allow you to run cables. Reach out to PreView Radar with any questions that you might have. We can look at the machine type that you plan to install these on and provide the guidance to ensure that you are operating that machine as safely as possible and that your operator is fully aware of the environment around them. Thank you.